Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you this Office Requisition System made by me, and I'll be taking you through how it works exactly. So as you see right now, you need to make sure, first thing you need to make sure that you are installing XAMPP. You have XAMPP server or whatever you can use like WAMP. So I'm going to start Apache and MySQL. As you see that they are already run, so I'll have my system here. I'm going to be leaving this link so that you can get so that you can be able to get this software or the whole folder, the whole project folder, and this is it. So what you have to do first, make sure you create a database called ORS, or maybe what we can do first, come here and download this. So I'll download this, right? If I download this, I'm going to make sure I'm putting it in my htdocs folder, because it is the folder that you can use on localhost. If you're to have this system on a hosted environment like cPanel, you can be able to do relevant changes as long as you import the database and make sure everything is set. The system will run properly. So come here. So I want to get this. So I'll extract this. Extract this. Right. So this is what I have here. So I can put this into my htdocs, what we just extracted. Yeah, so I'll copy this. Let's cut it. So I'll go to this PC, local disk, XAMPP, htdocs, and I'll paste this here, right? I have it already, so I'll just delete this. Okay. It's already there because I have it already, so I'll just paste and replace it. Because I have it running already, so I don't need to paste it there. Because of purposes of this video, I'm trying to do it step by step. In case you get this, you can easily download it. Yep. So after making sure you have this folder in your htdocs, next you have to do is to come here and create a database. I'll open this, or if you don't know how to open this, I'll type it again, and you say localhost / phpMyAdmin. You want to click enter. Go to databases. You're going to databases. Create a database called ORS. Right? The ORS. So I'll go to my folder. Let me just close this. Close this. Okay. It's taking long. So I'll do it again. Come to downloads. I first look for my htdocs. XAMPP. htdocs. So I'm going to delete this such that you can use the very first one I shared in the link. Right, so I'll go back to downloads. I get this. I'll extract it. Okay, if you're a beginner, I'm trying to make it soft for you. So I'll copy this project folder, come to this PC, XAMPP, htdocs. So I'll paste this right here. Next step you have to do is to install a database or to import it. So it's here. So if I open this folder, there's actually a readme first document that can help you do this. Says login defaults, open phpMyAdmin, collect database code ORS. This is what we did. And when I come back here, I'll just come to import so that I can be able to just bring that SQL file. So look for it, htdocs, come here. This is the database file. You have to put database configuration file. Then you want to click on export. And as we meanwhile wait for it here to load, to be able to bring all those tables. So if I click on ORS, right, and so that I'm having all these tables that I imported already. So I have admins. This admins table will be used to keep login details for admins and all other details about them. If you're to use this as a company, can set up company branches, even company departments, titles, can do company settings and requisitions. Requisitions is the table where we are actually going to have all our requisitions data, because we need to know that this is how it works, and it's a requisition system, right? So after this, I'm going to be able to run. So click localhost / then you call the folder name, which is ORS version 1.0. So I'll just copy it so that it's exact. Now paste it here, press enter. So you always have to click on admin because all those modules are written under admin. So you can see that now it is bringing up a login page of ORS, right, with username. So the notepad was saying, the note text was saying system login defaults admin. So you want to come back here, right, and put admin. This is admin. Password is 123 at admin. It's shown here. Okay, as it is shown here, it's what I'm putting. So next thing you do is sign in. After sign in, because the system is not set already, this system has a functionality to send OTP, one-time passwords, to any admin email that will be actually provided to it. But right now it is not set, but you can continue because by default it comes with an OTP of 000 6 times. So you want to put here 00 6 times and it will open up the dashboard. So this is the interface of this requisition system. You can see that here we can have a company name, the default time. Right now I'm in this default time at the moment, right? You can see details here. You can change account settings, company structures, reset system, right? You can see the country. Requisitions are set right here. You can search records, right? You can do system settings, your account settings, system users, company structure, right? So right now you have 0 requisitions, right? So you need to know how this exactly works. It works in a way that anyone can make a requisition, but the approver has to always approve that requisition or even reject or even amend. So what we can always do first, you can even set the company name, company structure, so that here there's nothing yet. So I can say company name, let me say Nestwave Technologies, right? I'll try to save company profile. I say that here I'm having it already as Nestwave. Oh, here has not yet reflected yet, but I can maybe try to refresh something like that. Right, so you can see this is coming here straight properly. So you can be able to set it to your preference and everything you need to know. The design is very simple and perfectly responsive. So you can have this on phone and anywhere. So if I try to open it up, it will open safely. So I can do my account settings, can be able to change my profile picture, right? Contact, can go to system users. System users are set as super admin. We have admin and normal user and other. So super admins are those that have full rights to the system. They can do different multiple tasks than the admins. So adminship is almost same as super admin, but normal is just someone who is just normal and they can't do any other privileges. So you can see that if someone is a super admin, like this account that comes with it, right, You can see that we can even reveal a password. So I want to reveal a password. I'll put the admin password in case I'm admin, right? I'll verify this. If I put a wrong one, it won't accept. So put it again, 123 at admin. Okay. So if I'm a admin and I verify with my password, it can be able to help me do multiple tasks. Can even add another user. Username, let me say sample. Sample 123 will be my password for that person I'm using. So I can give them any of this, and I'll give them normal or even admin if I wanted. So that's right. So if you try to experiment, I'll try to log out, and I try with sample. Password was sample at 123. Yeah, that's right. So I'll sign in. I can save this. So I told you OTP is 0, right? So if you ever want to change the OTP, there are always these configuration lines. So I'll go to sites, verify. You can see that I can be able to edit all these OTP, or even I can come to login. So you can see here that you can set and configure email sending parameters like your mail host in case you're using a hosted environment. But if you are to have this on a local host, you can also set that up and set the approver email. All those can be set freely. So going back to this, you can see that now we have this. So this person is not admin or is super admin. So there's no option of adding a new person or even being. So that's how simply it works. And I'll try to log in again as the original admin. I'll sign this in. And you can see that now I have all these options coming up. I can even add another user. I can delete them, right? Can set company structure, as I showed you the other side. Can even reset system in case need be. So now we shall go to the exact thing why we are making this video, and that would be requisitions. So to make a requisition, you can either use these shortcuts. You can actually come here. So for doing a requisition, you can see that right now we have 0. You can even filter by month. You can even do custom date ranges to filter which requisitions we want. Right? So right now I'm on a smaller screen device. Yeah, so at least you can see this is trying to fit in. So I will just expand the other. So I click on make new requisition. I get the name. Let me say sample. All right. Date of requisition, I'll set today because I'm recording this right now at this time. Department, maybe let me say finance department wants to make a requisition. So next up, you have to click on the currency you actually willing to have this requisition in. So right now what is supported is USD, UBX, Euro, and that. So I'll choose USD. You can choose any that you wish, but right now that's what is provided. So says, dear sir, madam, I request for the following. I'll put date, I'll set today. Let me say test. Okay, let me say office books. Let me say someone wants to get office books, so I'll make 20 items. I'll say maybe they're for $300, right? So you can see the moment I'm trying to add up here, it already shows the amount here. So even when I try to switch between currencies, I would put UBX, I'll put euros, right? So if I want this requisition to be in euros, this is exactly what I will get. And if I want to ever add another item on this requisition, I will always get. So you can do this on and on and on, and the system will keep getting that total and still you can reduce on this. I'll add one more item. Let me say the next day I'll need a computer keyboard, and this is only 101, and I'll need, let me say, 2,000 euros just for test purposes. So you say who is receiving the requisition, who is prepared by sample. Let me say sample, received by sample 1, authorized by Ernest ABC. We're just assuming that's just a name, right? Okay, so, and I'll submit requisition. The moment you submit this, it will save and submit this, but to give you this, requisition submitted successfully. Email notification settings have not yet been configured, because you actually need to configure who is sending and who will be approving this. All right, so you can see that right now we have only one requisition. So I'll try to refresh. You can see that you have one here. All right. So here we are so far, and if I try to slide right of this table and see the amount, it is not yet approved. So if your approver is also ready on the system, they can always log in and approve that. But right now my account is super admin, so it means I can simply approve it. So I'll click on it to open the company name. Remember, we had set it here: acquisition form, acquisition reference, and there are only 2 items, right? So it's pending. So you can manage, you can print it, you can go back. So if it is pending, you can always attach a signature here, or if you need to amend a requisition, like maybe say this, you're giving it another value, you can always get it here, right? In the requisition date, currency, everything you need to set. All right, and for now I will not amend it, but I will approve. Assume this is my signature. This signature area can even be used regardless if you are using an external stylus pen or whatever peripheral device you can use for signing. All those can be listened to this signature area. So we can even clear it and you sign again, and that's done. And approve or reject. It says this requisition will be permanently marked as approved, because what is approved always actually cannot be edited again, because it is approved or even rejected already. So if I open this, you can see that I have no amendment options, right? So you can see that my requisition is fully detailed, or the number of items, 2,030 euros. You're right. So we have the status and this and that. Simply tells you this requisition is complete because it is approved already. You see the signature here? It means this was already approved. So I go back. Yes, that's right. So if I go back, you will see this. So this is my simple requisition system I've come up. If you need this, you can always tap the link below this video to get the actual source file for this. I'll leave the link right there. You can be able to get and make use of this. If you need to purchase, or if you need special help, you can always reach out to my numbers that are written in the text right there. And for more details, or you need to purchase this, inbox me. We can see how we can actually be able to get this so that it benefits you as an individual or company that is using it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.